Imagine finishing 8 hours of work in just 30 minutes. No, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now with AI. Today, I'll show you 7 incredible AI tools that are changing how people create videos, write content, build websites, and even make money online. Stick around because the last tool feels like having an entire team working for you. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. New tools launch almost every week, but only a handful truly make a difference. These are the AI tools professionals, creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs are using to save time and increase productivity. Let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First is ChatGPT. It's much more than a chatbot. You can use it to write blog posts, create marketing copy, generate business ideas, learn new skills, solve coding problems, brainstorm content. Many freelancers now use ChatGPT as a daily productivity assistant instead of starting every task from scratch. Tool number 2, Veo. Next is Veo, one of the most exciting AI video generation models available. Simply describe a scene, and it can generate cinematic quality videos from text prompts. Creators are using it for advertisements, short films, social media videos, product promotions. Video production that once took days can now be completed much faster. Tool number 3, Claude. If you work with long documents, research, or reports, Claude is a powerful option. It can summarize lengthy PDFs, analyze reports, help write articles, organize complex information. Many professionals use it to speed up research and document review. Tool number 4, Perplexity. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, Perplexity provides AI-generated answers along with source citations. It's especially useful for students, researchers, business owners, content creators. It can significantly reduce the time spent gathering reliable information. Tool number 5, Midjourney. Need eye-catching images? Midjourney creates stunning artwork from simple text prompts. People use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, product concepts, posters, book covers. It's become a favorite tool for designers and creators. Tool number 6, ElevenLabs. Want realistic AI voices? ElevenLabs can generate natural-sounding speech in multiple languages and voices. It's commonly used for YouTube narration, podcasts, audiobooks, voiceovers for ads. This makes it ideal for faceless YouTube channels. Tool number 7, N8N. The final tool is N8N. Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, N8N lets you automate workflows between different apps. For example, you can automatically save form submissions, send emails, create social media posts, organize files, connect AI tools into one workflow. For businesses and creators, automation like this can save hours every week. AI is no longer just about working faster. It's changing how businesses, creators, and professionals approach everyday tasks. Which of these tools would you try first? Leave your answer in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, tech updates, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.